So how much does it cost to build and sell AI Receptionist in 2026? So if you're using anything to build and prompt out these agents is Vapi or Retail AI. That's how you prompt it. Then per minute is how they charge, right? So that's about $900 every single month. Then Go High Level is going to run you $297 a month for the most basic plan. Then how do you wire everything together? You use platforms like Zapier, Make, or N8N. That's how you connect the agents to the customer CRM or to their calendar, for example. Then how do you charge your clients? You either use Stripe or any invoicing kind of platform, and that's going to cost you $25. And this is low balling it. I mean, it's going to be way more because that's the fees they charge per transaction. Then to connect these businesses with agents, you need a phone number so that people can talk to these agents, and you need two phone numbers, and that's going to run about $30 every single month. Then how do you track everything down? You use Notion Airtable, and you hire an $800 a month developer to build out everything for you. What's the cost of the total stack? That's $2,188 a month. Okay, that's if you do it like people were doing it last year in 2025. How do you do it in 2026? You use platforms like this one, like Hermes, that is basically an AI voice agency inbox. It compiles everything you need, not only to create these agents, but to actually sell them. Then white label the platform just like you would with Go High Level, but basically all built out based on our experience, our 2 years of experience building these AI voice agents. And our plan that takes you a Hermes business that covers voice CRM campaigns, white label demo pages, bidding, and 7 workspaces. That's 7 clients you can actually host on Hermes and give them their personalized dashboard so they can track every call. And your monthly savings is $1,789 of extra profit a month you're going to be making. And then let's now roll the real margin per client. So for example, let's say you're charging your clients, let's lowball this, about $950 a month for maintaining this agency. Right? So let's say for example you have 3 clients, charging them that amount of money, and they are not going to go more than 500 minutes. That's 85% margin because you're earning $2,850 a month, and you're paying for the most basic Hermes plan, and the minutes that the plan doesn't include is the extra minutes that you need to pay for. That's still $2,413 basic for net margin. That's 85% margin. If we charge a little more and we have a little more active clients and they consume a little more, you see how this starts to scale up. You are mostly going to pay $700 a month for Hermes agency plan, and if you're scaling that high, you're probably doing $20,000 a month. Okay, and for your pocket, that's in revenue, net revenue, 89%. That's $18,000 every single month. Okay, so go to the link in my bio and sign up to be one of the first beta testers. Okay, just apply here, put your email, and we'll talk soon in the Discord group.